What's up, gamers? Today we're going to be having an epic Beyblade battle between Prominence Valkyrie over Atomic Dash versus Black Intracloud Avenger Wheel Unite Dash. It's going to be a 1st to 7 battle. If you have any comments, just leave them below. Here we go. Pretty good hits, but not moving Prominence much. We'll see if it can score the outspin though. That is 1-0 for Intracloud Avenger. Let's move her out of the stadium here. Alright. There we go. Here we go. 1-0. Avenger getting a barrage attack in against Prominence. Didn't move it much, but it may have drained the stamina on it. Alright, that is 2-0. Here we go again. Prominence getting a lucky wall save there. Avenger tried to carry it into the pocket. Didn't work. Coming down to another stamina battle. We'll see if Prominence can hold out this time. Destabilizing Avenger a little bit. May work in his favor, may not. Gets scraped out. That is 3-0. Can't count today. Alright, so we're going to be changing attachment on Avenger from the balance to the stamina. It only goes in a certain way. There it is. Alright. Okay, here we go. I'll launch Avenger first because it has the stamina. Avenger sitting calmly in the center while Prominence goes around. Coming to the end here. See who takes it this time. That is Avenger again. That is 5-0. Nice hit. Throws the armor off. Prominence going around the ridge. Avenger staying in the center. See what happens this time. See if the armor coming off helps Prominence. Doesn't seem like it right now. Yeah, that is 6-0. Alright, we're going to swap to the defense attachment. Probably not the best choice for this opponent, but I want to show them all off. So this one makes it a full free spinning ring. Throw the unilock there. So it sits on the disc there and right there. So as you can see, the entire Beyblade, where you can hit it, is free spin. We're gonna have Prominence in the easy to get the armor off mode. We're gonna launch Prominence first because Avenger doesn't have much stamina in this mode. Oh, armor comes off immediately. You can see it's not very stable with the defense attachment. losing stamina very quickly. That is 6-1. Yeah, this thing's only not meant to really deal with attack types. This thing has too much stamina for it to deal with. Gonna put the armor back on for the easy to get off mode. And we're gonna swap attachment from the defense to the attack. It only fits in one of these ways too. All right. Big rectangle has entered the chat. We'll see how Prominence responds. Could be final round. There goes the armor. It is gone. Not much contact. This is definitely what Prominence wants. Avenger may be too drained to dish out an attack here. Oh, there's a good one. And it scrapes Prominence out. That is going to be 7-1 for Intracloud Avenger. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Yeah. All right, see ya.